Hi friends, today I am going to show you shortcuts including Windows logo key or Win in short form. So before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell and three options would appear. Click on all for you to be the first to watch my videos and any video I upload. So let's get started. First shortcut, Windows logo key to open or close the start menu. So instead of clicking like this, you can do very fast by clicking the Windows logo key, and you can close with the Windows logo key. Second shortcut, Windows logo key plus D. To show desktop or not to show desktop. This option works when you have opened one or more programs. So let me show you if you didn't open any programs. I am pressing Windows logo key plus D. This is the program I have latest opened. Which program you have latest opened will be shown. So that will not work. To work this shortcut, to make this shortcut work, you have to go to Excel or any program and just press Windows logo key plus D. As you can see now, you can see the desktop clearly. So next shortcut, third shortcut, Windows logo key plus M. To minimize every window you opened. So while pressing Windows logo key plus M, as you can see, I have opened Word and Excel both minimized. So next shortcut, fourth shortcut, Win plus E, Windows logo key plus E, to open my computer. So pressing Windows logo key plus E, my computer opened up. Let me minimize this. So this is used mainly to access your disks much faster. Next shortcut, fifth shortcut, Windows logo key plus F to search files and folders. Let me press Windows logo key plus F. And there is the box to search files and folders. I have already told you another shortcut with this function, this F3. So which is more easier for you to use, you can use that shortcut. So next shortcut, last shortcut for today, Windows logo key plus X. To open Windows Mobility Center. So let me open Windows Mobility Center. This is used to adjust brightness, volume and some other options faster. Click on the question mark icon for more help. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.